Hello there, welcome to Elite Geospatial. Today we're going to look at how to calculate or create or generate curvature using our DEM. So we have a DEM of Chanchanga local government is an SRTM data of 30 meters in resolution per pixels, alright? So we'll be looking at how to calculate the curvature. So to do that, quickly, you just go to analysis and you go to toolbar or toolbox. Then you search for curvature and then you select the spatial analyst. Now, the spatial analyst can only be functional if you've activated the license. I didn't say that in the previous video, but if you have come so far, so you to just have a brief of that. While installing the software, you must have either activated the license or not. So if you want to know if your license, in case yours is not doing, you just go to project, and on the project you go to licensing. And when you click on licensing, you will see all the licensing, say basic, advanced. Okay, so look at the tools. We have 3D analyst, aviation, airport. These are extensions with 3.4.2. all right, so aviation charting, bathymetry, business analyst. When you look at it, you see that all the tools, street, premium, all the tools I have here are geostatistic. All of them are activated. All right, all of the tools are licensed, so that they never expire. Well, it never expire. Nobody said they never expire. It has not expired. All right, so you just go back. So I'm just trying to briefly show this so that we are in the same page. In case you are practicing and then you're seeing that yours is not doing, you need to reconfigure your license there to accept spatial analyst. All right, so we'll bring in our input, which is our raster, and we've not been touching this place because we have a project folder that this all goes to. It's not going to the default database. All right, so and then here we're going to choose the output profile. We just maybe, well, it's actually optional, so let's leave it. We leave them like that as optional, then we just click on run. Okay, so we have it, guys. Here is our curvature created, and don't forget you can also still change the symbology by going right clicking and going to symbology, and you just change the symbology to either thing that suit your test and all of that. So this is how you can do that. You can go on classify and then reclassify this into 5 class, and then change the symbology to any other thing that suits your test, change the color, RAM, and all of that. So thank you for tuning in and watching this video. I appreciate your help thus far, and I will indulge you to always comment, subscribe, like, share, and encourage our effort. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.